In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Barclays bank account online in the UK step by step for 2025. Whether you're new to banking or simply looking to switch accounts, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, head over to the official Barclays website. You'll want to visit www.barclays.co.uk/current accounts. This is where you'll find all the available account options laid out for you. Barclays offers a variety of choices, including the Everyday Current account, which is great for daily banking needs. If you're new to banking or have no established credit history, the basic account is ideal. For those with a higher income, the Premier account might be more suitable. Furthermore, if you're a student or have specific business needs, there are tailored accounts just for you. Once you've reviewed your options and decided which account suits your needs best, click on Apply Now under your chosen account. Now this action will start your online application process. Barclays will prompt you to confirm that you reside in the UK, as their services are specifically for UK residents. You'll also need to choose whether to proceed with your application online or through the Barclays app. While both methods are perfectly valid, using the app is often faster and more streamlined. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information, which should be done carefully. You're going to fill in your full name, date of birth, and UK home address, including postcode. An email address and mobile number are also required, alongside your national insurance number if you have one. Additionally, Barclays will ask for your employment and income details. It's crucial that all this information matches your ID to avoid any discrepancies later in the process. After entering your personal details, it's time to verify your identity. This involves uploading a photo ID such as a passport or UK driving license along with proof of address. Acceptable documents for proof of address include a recent utility bill, bank statement, or council tax bill. Sometimes Barclays might also request a quick selfie video to further confirm your identity, adding an extra layer of security. Once you've completed these steps, it's time to review all the information you've inputted. Double-check everything to ensure it's accurate and complete. When you're satisfied that all is correct, click the Submit button to send off your application. Approval can happen instantly for some people, but others might need to wait a few days while Barclays conducts document checks. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to opening your Barclays bank account online, hassle-free. Thank you for following along, and best of luck with your new account.